Let's play a game.
Guess.
What is this? What is this? It's a unit of time consisting of 7 days.
Divided into weekdays and weekends.
7 days in a row.
Typically includes 5 work days and 2 rest days. What is this?
Week.
What is this?
A human being with individual characteristics.
Someone who can think, feel, and interact.
Someone with a name and identity.
A member of a family or community.
What is this?
Person.
What is this?
An adult male human being.
Can be a father, brother, son, or friend.
Typically referred to using he or him.
A tall figure with broad shoulders.
What is this? Man. What is this? A young person, not yet an adult.
A boy or girl who goes to school.
This is what you were before you grew up.
A small person who loves to play and learn. What is this?
Child.
What is this?
You check this on a clock or a watch.
It tells you when it's morning, afternoon, or night.
There are 24 hours in a day, which is measured by this.
This word is used to know how long something takes.
What is this?
Time.
What is this?
There are 12 months in this.
It begins in January and ends in December.
A new one starts every January 1st.
You celebrate your birthday once every.
What is this?
Year.
What is this?
A path or road that leads somewhere.
Another word for a direction, like left or right.
There's always a to solve a problem. You might ask, which should I go? What is this?
Way.
What is this?
An object or item, like a toy or a book.
A word for anything that isn't a person or an animal.
What's that? On the table?
This word means an item, idea, or object you can talk about.
What is this?
Thing.
What is this? The planet we all live on.
Another word for Earth or the globe.
We must take care of the we live in.
It's big, round, and full of countries and oceans. What is this?
World.
What is this?
It's the opposite of death.
Plants, animals, and humans all share this.
People often say, enjoy your to the fullest.
This word means being alive.
What is this?
Life.
What is this?
You use this part of your body to write or draw.
This body part has fingers and a thumb.
You wave this to say hello or goodbye.
You can hold something with your.
What is this? Hand. What is this? A piece of something that makes up a whole.
This puzzle is missing one important.
A bike has many of these, like wheels and pedals.
You can share this with someone, like a slice of cake. What is this? heart.
Thank you for the watching.